Ever felt the need for a quick break to refresh and recharge? Well, you're not alone. Today's world moves at a lightning-fast pace, leaving us scrambling to keep up. Work deadlines, social obligations, personal goals, they all vie for our time and attention, often leaving us feeling drained and stressed. Enter the concept of 10-minute yoga breaks. Imagine being able to hit the pause button on your day, anytime, anywhere. A brief respite where you can reconnect with your body, quiet your mind, and let go of the tension that's been building up. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or prior yoga experience. All you need is 10 minutes and a willingness to take a moment for yourself. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go, these yoga breaks are designed to be accessible, easy, and most importantly, effective. So, ready for a journey towards peace and relaxation in just 10 minutes? Let's dive in. So what exactly is a 10-minute yoga break? Let's break it down. Imagine having a personal oasis of calm, a sanctuary where you can retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. That, in essence, is what a 10-minute yoga break offers you. It's a short, easily accessible pause in your day, designed to help you refresh, recharge, and relax. This concept revolves around a series of simple, easy-to-follow yoga poses. These poses are carefully selected to help reduce stress and increase relaxation. They are designed to be beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you've never tried yoga before. The emphasis is not on achieving perfection, but rather on embracing the process and enjoying the journey. The beauty of a 10-minute yoga break lies in its flexibility. You can take these breaks anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home before starting your day, in the office during a short break, or even outdoors enjoying the fresh air. A 10-minute yoga break can be your companion. All you need is a willingness to take a moment for yourself. Now you might be wondering, can a mere 10 minutes really make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. These short yoga breaks act as a circuit breaker for stress, helping to reset your mind and body. They offer a quick yet effective way to unwind, helping you to regain your focus and composure. Moreover, these 10-minute yoga breaks are not just about physical movement. They also incorporate elements of mindfulness, encouraging you to stay present and focused on your breath. This mindful breathing can help to slow down your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and promote a sense of calm and well-being. In essence, a 10-minute yoga break is more than just a series of yoga poses. It's a holistic approach to well-being, a tool that allows you to cultivate peace and tranquility in your everyday life. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed or stressed, remember that your personal oasis of calm is just a 10-minute yoga break away. Now, you may be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, the benefits of these brief yoga breaks are manifold. Let's start with improved focus. Just 10 minutes of mindful stretching can help clear the mind, sharpen your attention, and bring you back to the present moment. Feeling stressed? Yoga's meditative elements can help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and anxiety. Next up, increased flexibility. This isn't just about being able to touch your toes. Regular stretching improves your range of motion, making daily movements easier and reducing the risk of injury. And let's not forget about mood enhancement. Yoga stimulates the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that boost your mood and promote a sense of well-being. These benefits don't just stay on the yoga mat, they spill over into your work, boosting productivity and creativity. They improve your personal relationships, promoting empathy and understanding. So not only does a 10-minute yoga break offer a moment of calm, but it also provides lasting benefits that extend beyond the yoga mat. To sum up, 10-minute yoga breaks are a simple, accessible, and effective way to combat the stresses of modern life. These quick and easy sessions can be a game changer, helping you escape from the hustle and bustle, if only for a few precious moments. They offer an opportunity to refresh your mind, recharge your energy, and relax your body at any time and any place, truly making wellness a part of your everyday routine. And remember, 10-minute yoga breaks are for everyone. You don't need to be a fitness guru or a yoga master to benefit. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or someone who's just starting their fitness journey, these breaks can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. They require no fancy equipment, no prior experience, just a willingness to take a moment for yourself. So why not give a 10-minute yoga break a try? Your mind and body will thank you.